So, you want to be selected in a football trial? Let me tell you something that most players never hear. A football trial is not just about playing well. It's your one shot to prove to a coach, a scout, or a club that you belong at the next level. Think of it like a job interview. But instead of a suit, you wear your boots. And instead of speaking with words, you speak with your football. Every pass, every sprint, every small decision you make on that pitch is telling the scout, "This is who I am." Now let me guide you, step by step, on exactly what you need to do to be selected. Not just to show up, but to stand out. Step 1. Preparation, before the trial begins. Most players make a huge mistake. They think the trial starts on the day they arrive. Wrong. The trial starts weeks before. Maybe even months. Think about this. You're not going there to get fit. You're going there to compete, to dominate, to prove you're already ready. Here's what to focus on. Cardio training. Start running every morning. Do long runs for stamina and sprints for speed. Mix it. Strength training. Use your body. Push-ups, planks, squats, lunges. No gym. No problem. Recovery. Sleep well. Eat clean. Hydrate daily. Stretch every evening. I once trained with a boy named James. He didn't look the biggest, but his engine, non-stop. His coach told me, "That kid plays like it's the World Cup final, even in the warm-up." And guess what? Scouts love players who never get tired. That's what shows dedication and readiness. Step 2. Technical skills. Play simple, play smart. Many players get rejected because they try to show off. Stepovers, fancy flicks, risky dribbles. But real coaches, they want players who understand the game. If you want to stand out, perfect your first touch. Can you control a fast ball with one touch and keep it moving? Master short passes. Use both feet. Be accurate. Play quick 1-2s. Control your body. Always position yourself to see the field before you even get the ball. Don't try to be a hero. I always tell my players, make the game look simple, and you'll look like a genius. Step 3. Movement without the ball. Be everywhere. Let me tell you something that separates good from great. Movement without the ball. Too many young players just stand and wait for the ball. But football isn't just about touches. It's about positioning, awareness, anticipation. During a trial, keep moving. Don't hide. Always be an option. Find space. Don't run randomly. Run with purpose. Communicate. Call for the ball. Point. Signal. Show you're engaged. If you're invisible off the ball, you're invisible to the scout. Move like you're in control of the game, even when you don't have the ball. Step 4. Attitude. Your mindset is the difference. Let me be honest. Talent alone is not enough. Not even close. Your attitude, the way you carry yourself, can make or break your chances. Here's what coaches watch for, even more than your skills. Are you listening? Are you coachable? Do you fight when you lose the ball? Do you bounce back after a mistake? I remember watching a trial. There was a small boy from Senegal. Not the fastest, not the flashiest. But every time he lost the ball, he hunted it back like a lion. The coach turned to me and said, "That's the kind of player I want. He's got fire in his heart." That boy was selected. Not because of skills. Because of attitude. Step 5. Presentation. Show you're ready. You don't need expensive gear. But you must look professional. When you walk into that trial, here's how you impress before even touching the ball. Arrive early, not just on time. Show hunger. Warm up before the session starts. Be ready. Wear clean kit, polished boots, shin guards. Dress like someone who respects the game. Be quiet, focused, and respectful. You don't need to be loud. Just carry yourself like someone who came to win a place, not just play. Look like a pro, even if you're not one yet. Step 6. Game understanding. Know your role. It's not enough to run and kick. Football IQ matters. Study professional games. Watch players in your position. Learn how they move, when they press, how they defend. If you're a winger, understand when to cut in, when to cross, when to track back. If you're a central midfielder, know how to control the tempo, find passing lanes, support the defense. If you're a defender, learn how to read the striker's body, how to step up, when to drop back. The best players think faster than the others. That's what scouts remember. Let's bring it all together. If you want to be selected in your next football trial, train early. Get fit before the trial. Keep it simple. Control, pass, move. Move smart. Off the ball is everything. Show fire. Play like it's your last chance. Look ready. Dress and act like a pro. Study football. Know your position deeply. And most importantly, play with your heart, but think with your head. You may only get one chance. Make it count. Remember, scouts can spot talent, but they choose players with discipline, intelligence, and attitude. Don't play to be liked. Play to be remembered. Your dream starts with preparation, and it ends with belief. Good luck. Go make your trial your moment.